Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today we're in Hout Bay. We're exploring an old abandoned factory. It was a fishmeal factory back in the day. And I'm just going to take you guys on a walk through. Enjoy. So we're in Hout Bay today. So we're just doing an abandoned building. Let me take you guys on a walk through. Let's explore what they have. Got some like an old pit there. I think they used to grind some of the stuff there. You have to be very careful where you step here. Let's just take a tour. Bye. I wonder how old this place is. I mean, see the people there, night burning some of the old wood. I think here where they strip the wires. Obviously this is still in between other factories. As you guys can see, totally flooded. I mean, even the sewage is overspilling in this place. I mean, one thing. We've got the old little factory there. And we've got another building over there. But I'm going to show you guys the main building today. I mean, got some more buildings here. Obviously all the stuff has been looted. We've got some old wallets laying there, obviously from people who got robbed. Have to be very careful because some of these structures are beyond. So, can you guys see the rat? Love to go there, but we're very unsafe that side. Most of the stuff has been stolen. Like the metal. Only that's left is the roof. And this is obviously where they process the fish. So the trucks will obviously come in from that side. And this is obviously just what's left of the whole building. All the metal structures are gone. I mean, what a cool place. Some cool art pieces. And for my audience who doesn't know it, I actually do art myself. Obviously I haven't posted it yet. But yeah, that's my trade. And film editing. but I'm taking you guys on the journey with me. Oh, wow. Then obviously we had like these little cranes. So these cranes here, they would like, as you guys can see the harbor there, they would take the load off the truck, and then obviously they would process it through here. Let me see what's in the structure here. Looks like someone stayed in there. And then we have the rich living next to the poor in Hout Bay. What a cool little spot there. Go home. Obviously that's the Hout Bay community, which I love, by the way. But yeah, let's go a bit deeper. I know you guys, you just want to go deep. Let's see what's in it. Obviously you guys can see like all the metal's been ripped out. Like all these buildings here, people has used as a toilet. Like you can see all the crayfish tails. All those little crayfish tails. See if I can get you guys closer. I also wanna mind the rats. So let's see the second unit. Obviously you're gonna have to watch where we walk. So a lot of people use this as a toilet. But before I go into this building, just want to go this side. I couldn't enter from the other side. I mean, the sewage is overflowing this side. I can't explain the smell to you guys. Like oil and like human feces. So this is the second part. I think this was the office and the admin side. Got some smaller rooms there. I just have to be very careful. I don't want to step into something and hurt myself. And like you guys can obviously imagine, like they had like the whole roofs, and obviously from all the stuff that's been taken, all the roof tiles are now on the floor. Never knew this whole place was empty. So we've got obviously the new building that side, and you can see some of the old tenants cover that up. And obviously the old toilets for the workers. Nothing left. That was the showers or basin. Just have to watch out for this. So you guys can see there's like holes, so I'm gonna have to step up here. Oh, it's very overgrown. You guys can see a lot of these like glow in the dark sticks. So for those who do not know what they use it for, so like catch thousands of them, guard, catch the octopus, catch the prawns, or any fish that's really attracted to the light. So that's what they use. But then they just dump it here. All overgrown. Like so many, like you guys obviously can't see this, but like a lot of the wires see here they've been cut. Obviously for strip for copper. Someone's bed. Let's continue the tour. You guys can see this place has been burnt to the ground. Obviously, a lot of the homeless community stays around here. For my audience that doesn't know Cape Town, not homeless. And then what they do is like they'll take the scrap and sell it for food or whatever they're up to. As you guys can see, we've got some old cylinders here. And those are obviously the tubes where they store the water. Actually, very unsafe. This current, super unsafe. I mean, these walls are already collapsed. But what a cool place. See if I can cross this little. Hopefully I don't fall in here. Let's see what's in this. Obviously someone stayed in here. How's that angle, guys? Super dodge. Obviously someone sleeps there. Yeah.